continue to carry out its operations indefinitely or a long period of time would not be liquidated in the foreseeable future. This is an important assumption of accounting as provides the very basis of showing the value of assets in the balance sheet. The assets may be defined as a bundle of services. When we purchase an asset, the personal computer, a sum of rupees 50,000, what we are buying really the services of the computer that we shall be getting over its estimated life of span 5 years. It will not be fair to charge the whole amount of rupees 50,000 from the revenue of the year which we assessed as purchased. Instead, the part of the asset which when we consumed or used during a year, the period should be charged from the revenue that of the period. The regarding the going concern concept, it means ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲದವರೆಗೆ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಅದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಲ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ ದಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the firm cannot earn any money from the business. In such time, the long term we have to earn profit. That kind of firm will be the existence in a long time, a long period of time, so that the earning of money is also a very important role in the business. So that the asset may be defined as a bundle of services. When we purchase an asset of a company, for example computer or any furniture or any other machinery, we have to purchase. In such time, the every year we have to is a part of the asset will be taken into consideration, because the amount the purchase of machinery, the period of span 10 years or 5 years or 3 years or 4 years, any we have to take into consideration that part of the machinery amount will be taken into consideration. Only 1 year will be calculated of the business, because every year the businessman we have to calculate the earning profit of the business. In such time we have to long period of time we have to the assets cannot be recognized of the business. In such time, the businessman we have to earn profit or loss, we have to take any decisions, so that the every businessman we have to take into consideration of the time, we have to the part of the amount will be taken into consideration. For example, rupees computer value of rupees 1 lakh, the span of 10 years. In such time, the 10 years, how much of depreciation will be calculated? Every year, the businessman we have to take into the assets will be shown on the balance sheet. In such time, any businessman cannot be shown the original value of machine every year, because the assets will be used in the business continuously, decreasing the value of the asset. So that in such situation we have to take into consideration of the businessman, we have to earn profit or loss, we have to take into proper decision. We have to take the only the part of the depreciation will be taken into consideration, the percentage. For example, 5% of depreciation every year, the depreciation amount is 5,000. The 5,000 rupees taken into consideration in the profit and loss account on the shown on the debit side. Debit side. The same amount 1 lakh do not be shown on the full amount, only deductible amount will be shown on the balance sheet. For example, the balance sheet consists of two parts, liability, another one is asset. The assets, any assets are shown on the balance sheet, right side of the balance sheet. For example, we have computer value rupees 1 lakh less depreciation 5,000. Remaining amount only 95,000 will be taken into consideration, because the businessman, we have to certain period of time, in such time how much of profit will be coming to the business, how much of loss will be suffering from the business, we have to proper decisions. Only we have to consider continuously the running the business, but in a certain period will be taken into consideration. We have to, whether the business is progress or not, we have to find solutions, take any decisions. In such time the amount will be the correct, we have to shown on the debit side of the profit and loss account, and whether profit or loss we have to take into consideration preparation of the financial statements. In such time we have to proper decisions, so that each and every businessman, you continuously running the business, but the whether profit or loss, whether the business progress or not, proper any take decisions, so that such for theory base of accounting will be the information will be providing to the businessman, so that the businessman we have to take into proper decisions, so that each and every businessman we have to take into consideration of the business. We have to the original value of any assets do not be shown on the balance sheet, the original value, because each and every year the fixed assets will be continuously decreasing the value. Such amount will be taken into consideration. The depreciation every year we have to rupees 5,000, the remaining amount, the value of the asset is 95,000, because these are the main ingredients of the business man, so that the money measurement, the going concern, the asset may be the bundle of services, so that the revenue of that period, the assumption regarding continuously of the business allow to the charge of firm revenue of the period only, that part of the asset which we consumed or used to earn the profit, that revenue that period can carry forward to the remaining amount to the next year. Over the estimated the life of the asset will be 10 years, we have to take 10 years or 20 years, we have to take into consideration. Every year we have to depreciation decreasing the value of the asset, so that if there is not the whole cost of rupees 1 lakh, you will need not charge from the revenue of the year which the asset was purchased, so that amount will be never, any businessman, any kind of assets will be purchased, only the part of the amount will be every year decreasing the asset, so that amount will be shown on the preparation of the financial statements, profit and loss account on the debit side of the amount. Next, same amount will be taken into consideration, the original value of the asset rupees 1 lakh. Next, depreciation, we have to deduct the amount. That amount will be shown, deduct the amount, only 95,000 will be amount will be shown in the balance sheet. Next year, again we have to this that machinery, that computer amount will be once again decreasing every year. The part of the machinery we have to every year changes from year to year. The asset value will be gradually decreasing in the business. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವುಗಳ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಸ್ಥನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲದವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ದಿಮೆದಾರರಿಗೆ ನಿವ್ವಳವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಾಭ ಅಥವಾ ನಷ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ the value of the machine will be taken into consideration of the business, so that these amounts deduct or the finally the balance sheet the computer value 1 lakh, but depreciation amount will 5,000 will be deducted from the business, so that next year this amount also decreasing every year. The finally after 1 year we have to take into consideration whether the business is earn profit or loss, whether the business is progress or not, what action should be taken in future. These are the assumptions will be helpful for the business. Next period we have continue these concepts.